Here at EVs Republic, we specialize in diagnostics. This vehicle came in for a no-start issue. It was towed in. We ended up having to do a deep dive diagnostic on it, which is a further diagnostic that did get approved by the customer for an isolation fault code. In this particular instance, we found that the AC compressor and desiccant bag was the primary source of the issue. That got approved by the customer. It is now being finalized, and then the AC will be checked and then returned back to the customer. So any questions, contact us today and we'll take care of you.